Hello, hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn new lesson formula in MS Excel 2016. For class 6th, it is a lesson number 7. Let us have a look. In this lesson, the following topics are going to be discussed. First one is simple formula, operator in MS Excel, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, reference operators, text formula, basic arithmetic operators, operator precedence, autosum future, average with autosum. Let us have a look. Simple formula. In Excel, a formula is an expression that operates on values in a range of cells or a cell. That means we always use it to write the formulas in a particular cell. For example, C1 plus C2 plus C3, which find the sum of the ranges of values from cell C1 to C3. If you observe here, left side of your example, serial number product KC. If you observe here, 1, 2, 3 products mango, banana, cherries. Price 100, 50, 150. Now I need to do the total. After that one, we need to write is equal to 100 is placed in C2. So C2 plus 50 is placed in C3 plus C4. C4 means 150. Then press enter key. Then you will find the total of the three products. You can see here total is 300. In this way we can write the formula, simple formula. For this simple formulas or any formula in Excel, we need to write first equal to symbol. All the formulas in MS Excel will start with equal to symbol. Next one is operators in MS Excel. Excel uses standard operators for formulas such as a plus sign for addition, a minus sign for subtraction, an asterisk for multiplication, a forward slash for division, and a caret for exponents. All formulas in Excel must begin with an equals sign. That means to add two numbers, we use plus symbol for addition. For subtraction, we will use minus symbol. For multiplication, we use star symbol, that is called asterisk. For division, we will use forward slash. For exponents, we will use caret symbol. So don't forget that all symbols will be started with equals sign. There are three different kinds of calculation operators. First one is arithmetic operators, second one is comparison operators, third one is reference operators. First one, arithmetic operators. To perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction or multiplication, or to combine numbers and produce numeric results, use the arithmetic operators in the table. See here, if you observe here, arithmetic operators are this one, like plus is used for addition purpose. Next one is minus symbol is for subtraction or negation. Next one is asterisk is used for multiplication. Next one is forward slash, it is used for division. Percentage symbol, it is used to calculate the percentage, and caret, this symbol, it is used for to find the exponent value. So what are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, asterisk, forward slash, percent, and caret. These are all called arithmetic operations. Next one is comparison operators. With these operators, in the table below, you can compare the two values. When two values are compared by these operators, the result is a logical value, either true or false. So comparison operators are used to compare the two values. For example, you can see here equal to, it is used to find is equal to a1 or is equal to b1, like that. Greater than symbol to find the greater value, less than symbol to find the least value. Greater than or equal to, it is used to find the greater than or equal to values. Less than or equal to find the less value or less than or equal to value. These two symbols are called not equal to. When the value is not equal to the other one, in that cases we are using the not equal to signs. So comparison operators are called equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. Next one is reference operators. Reference operators means, see here, combine ranges of cells for calculation with these operators. Reference operator like colon, range operator, when produce the one reference to all the cells between the two references, including the two references. Like this we are going to use is equal to some value of from B5 to B15. In that cases we are using colon symbol. Next one is comma. Unique operator when combines multiple references into one reference is equal to sum B5 is to B15, comma D5 is to D15. When one or more, that means it will combine the two references. In that cases we are using comma. Next one is space intersection operator, which produces a references to the cells common to two references, like this. Sum of B7 is to D7 space C6 is to C8. In that cases we are using space. So reference operators are called colon, comma and space. Next one is text formula. In Microsoft Excel, text function returns a value converted to the text with a specified format. The text function is a built-in function in Excel that is categorized as string or text function. It can be used as worksheet function. For example, salesman and date of birth. If you see in C column, there is salesman name and date of birth also. To combine two cells information to one cell, that is called text formula. You can observe here clearly. Second one, in column, name and date of birth is combined in C. In this ways we are going to use the text formula, that is called text formula. It is used to combine the two cell information into one cell information, that is called text formula. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.